Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you, beta? Hope you all are fine. Students, open your maths countdown book page number 132. Today we are doing question number 8, add. Okay, so look at the first question. Rupees 3.60 plus rupees 4.15. Students, these are very simple addition questions, okay, but there is only addition of rupees. Okay, so we will just add these questions as we have done in our previous first term. So 0 plus 5 is equals 5. And 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, how many? 7. And then students, as you know that there is point after 7, so we will put a point here. Okay, and 4 and 3, count on your fingers, how many? Yes, 7. And students, don't forget to write rupees. RS is the short form of rupees. Now move to the next question. Rupees 10.40 plus rupees 5.60. So let's start adding. 0 plus 0, obviously 0. 6 and 4, 6 and 4 is 10. So students, as you know that when in addition we have two digits in answer, we will not write 10 over here. So what we will do, as I told you in my previous lectures also, we will choose the right digit. So I write 10 here and the right digit is 0. So we will choose 0 and 1 will move on the next number. So 0 will come here and 1 will move on the next number. Now after two digits there is point. So after two digits we will put a point. 5 and 1, 6, and 1 will come as it is. So our answer is rupees 16. Now move to question number part C, question number 8. 5 plus 5 is equals 10. Students, again we will write 10 in working column and we will choose the which digit? Right side digit. Okay, this is our right side, so we will choose 0 over here and 1 will move on the next number. So 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 2, 9. And after two digits there is point, so after two digits we will also put a point. It's very important to put a point over here. And 5 and 5, again 10, we will write 10 in the rough working column and then we will choose the right digit is 0 and 1 will move on the next number. So 4 and 2, 6, 6 and 1, 7. And don't forget to write RS, rupees. So our answer is rupees 70.90. Now move to part D. 0 plus 5. Obviously 0 have no value, so it means there is only 5. 5 plus 0, 5. And next number is 7 and 5. 7 and 5 is 12. Just count on your fingers. 12. So students, 12. I write the 12 here in working column. So I will choose the right digit is 2 and the left digit will move on the left number. So we will write 2 over here and 1 will move on the next number. And after two digits, 1, 2, there is a point, 1 and 2, so we will also put a point. And then 6, 7, 8 and 9. 6 and 3 is 9 and 9 and 1, again 10. So we will choose the right digit is 0. We will write 0 over here, and 1 is written on the left side, so we will move it on the left side number. 4 and 2 is equal 6, 6 and 1 7. So our answer is rupees 70.25. Okay, the next is part E, rupees 44.5 and rupees 16.85. So 5 and 5 is equals 10. Students, again we will write 10 in our working column, and we will choose the right digit. Which one is the right digit? This one or this one? Just look at your hand. You are writing with your right hand, so this side is your right side and this side is your left side. So 0, we will pick a 0 and we will move 1 here. 8 and 1 is 9. After 2 digits, students, is there any guesses? Yes, after 2 digits we will put a point, because after 2 digits there is a point. Okay, then 6 and 4, again 10. Again we will choose the right digit. Right digit is 0 and left digit is 1, which we will move to the next number. 4 and 1 5, 5 and 1 6, and rupees 60.90. Okay students, our last part, because there are A to F parts are included of question number 8. Okay, only A to F parts. So 5 and 5 is again 10, so we will choose the right digit. Right digit is 0 and we will move left digit on the left number. 7 and 7 is equals how many? Just count on your fingers. 14. 14 and 1, 14 plus 1, 15. So we will write 15 in our working column and choose the right digit. Right digit is 5 and left digit is 1, so we will move it on the left side number. And after 2 digits, what will come here? Point. 1, 2 and point. 8 and 1 9. 4 and 3 is 7. And also write rupees, RS. Okay students, I hope you understand question number 8. Students, do it very neatly on your books if you have any missing work, because now we are doing revisions. So if you have missing work, then you complete it on your book page number 132, question number 8, part A to F. And I'm giving some more parts for your practice. Okay students, now on page number 133, question number 9, subtract. Let's start to subtract A part. 5 minus 5 is equals 0. 6 minus 2, how many? 4. And after 2 digits, we will again 1 and 2, we will put a point. And 5 minus 3 is equals 2. And also write rupees. Okay, these are also same like we are doing addition and subtraction, simple addition and subtraction. There is only addition of point and rupees. Okay, simply. So next question, rupees 7.70 minus rupees 5.45. So 0 minus 5, we cannot subtract from 0 because 0 is very small digit, has no value, and we cannot subtract 5 out of 0. So we will take carry from left side number, so it will left 6 and it will become 10. First of all, arrange the numbers. Then 10 minus 5, how many? 5. 6 minus 4, just count on your fingers. 6 minus 4, 2. And after 2 digits there is a point, so after 2 digits we will put a point. 7 minus 5 is equals 2. Also write rupees. Okay, beta. I hope you understand these subtraction questions. So remaining question I'm giving you for homework. So do part C, D, E and F. Okay, because there are only A to F parts are included. So remaining 4 parts you will done on your books for practice. If you have already done, then erase that questions and do it again for practice. Or you can do it on your rough notebooks also. Take care. Allah Hafiz.